Welcome to Nepal. Guys, tell me which lord are here. Like, I don't know which goats are here. You can tell me also. Yo, what's up? Welcome guys. Welcome to Nepal, Kathmandu. We're exploring the city, guys. And today we are inside one of the biggest market here by the name Asan Market, guys. Yeah. Hello, hi.
How are you, brother?
Fine, good.
You like something t-shirt?
What is Sante Christian? Some folk stuff of Nepal, guys. The folk mask. I still remember when I went to attend one of the Newari festival, cultural dance, guys. I saw a lot of this folk mask. They used to wear this mask, guys, and they do a lot of dance. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's this one?
Yo, Nepali Dhaka topi.
Dhaka topi.
Yes.
How much is one?
Yo,
Huh?
900 rupees.
One is 9?
100 rupees.
100 rupees?
Yes.
100?
900.
Why 900?
Yes.
That's really too much, bro. Can I try?
Okay.
But there is no my size there, bro.
Yeah.
Welcome to Nepal. 9000.
Yes.
Why that much costly?
Discount.
This is too much.
Too much.
Is there no fixed price written on it?
Yes. Fixed price. Fixed price.
Where is price? Where is price tag? Price tag. No price tag?
No price tag. No.
No price tag.
Yes.
What?
400 rupees. Yeah.
No, it's very costly, bro. It's too much.
Okay.
But it's nice. Thank you. It's 900 Nepali rupees. I don't know why does it has to be that much costly. But anyway, this is like this is local. This is one Dhaka topi. This is our local Nepali traditional attires, guys. Maybe that's why it has to be costly like this. There is one temple here. Let's just explore and see what is unique and see the prices of the things, cultural, traditional things, guys. Those things look so shiny. This is so shiny, guys. I saw one thing like this also in this one, guys, during the Newari festival, guys. They said this one they used to give wine for the older time, like during when the elder people of Nepal, like these big people, when they sit around, this is what they use and they take wine with it. And I also tried the Nepali wine, guys. You can go and check the video. Yeah, there is some statues here. I don't know, guys, but you can read it because it's written. Everything is written in Nepali, guys. I don't know. Like 4 statues here. Yeah, this building looks so nice, guys. It looks so nice. I don't know, is it temple or what? I don't really understand. This is like temple, guys. I don't know, but I just got inside it. This is very huge temple inside here, guys. It's inside the market. I think they are still reconstructing it. Construction is still going on. There I see Buddha statue beside there. There is no way backside. Guys, tell me which lord are here. Like, I don't know which gods are here. You can tell me also. Guys, I also want to know, like you see there, up there is 3 lords. The only one I know in the center is Buddha. And the one on the right and left, please just tell me, guys. Tell me, I want to know this one because I still remember when I went to Swayambhu, guys. When I went to Swayambhu temple, I saw the biggest statue of Buddha with like this 3 statue up behind me. You can see I saw it, but I also can't recognize the name. I don't know the name, and it was all written in Nepali, so I cannot read that. So just let me know. Yeah. I think now I am in the Duba Square, guys. The city is very huge. Honestly, I don't know where I'm moving, but I'm just exploring, guys. I think when I'm tired and done with everything, that is when I can start asking people to tell me the exact route. The city is so beautiful, man. I don't know which road is this, colored with green and white. I just want to go in between here and see. Nepal for me, guys, is more cultural, more religious, guys. Because every distant mile I go, I will find temple. I used to find temple. I used to find the architecture of Nepal, guys, which is something amazing. And here, this country, like they are really very good in preserving their local or their ancestors old stuff and the architecture, guys. Because whatever was old, now they are still renewing it. They are still renewing everything. Hi, how are you?
Hi,
bro, what is the starting price for this?
250.
250 only. Huh?
250.
What is the last price?
250.
Any nice one? Show me. No, not this one. I have this. I got this.
This
I need. Mandala.
T-shirt. Mandala. Like this.
One, hold this camera. Show me. How is it, guys? Only 250 Nepali rupees. Yeah, I'll take this one. So guys, I bought this. 250 is fine for Nepali rupees because if I have to convert Indian 250 to Nepali, then it will be more than that because Indian rupee is more higher compared to Nepal. So that's fine. So in Indian rupee, this is equivalent maybe like maybe around 150. So that is fine. That is fine, guys. Yeah. Wow, see this view, guys. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. I'm just so impressed. I'm really so impressed, guys. I'm really so impressed of Nepali beauty, guys. Nepal is so rich. Nepal is so rich, guys. In the architecture, they are so rich, guys. Very rich.